Okay, this is a rundown of the steps without the music. So the first step is what I call a parade walk. You're just gonna start as if you're walking, so just opposite, you're just gonna walk, but you're gonna extend your arms out. You're just gonna walk, 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 pull. Pull the opposite leg. So if you start walking right, you'll pull left. Walk, 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 pull. And as you pull, lift your arm. Then walk, your arm's already up, just lower it. So your arm's up, that foot's up. Step, 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 pull. It's already up. Step, 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 pull. Step, 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 pull. Step, 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 pull. It looks very effective and it's relaxing. You won't get tired doing that. That's why I love it. I put it in all my parade choreographies. The next step after we do that sequence, step, 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 pull, step, 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 pull, step, 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 pull, is you're just gonna stop. And if we look different ways right then and turn different ways, great, it doesn't matter. So you're just gonna stop and you're just gonna turn, turn, turn. The footwork, step, 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 turn, step, that's it, touch. So you've gone parade walk 1, parade walk 2, parade walk 3, parade walk 4, touch. Then turn, 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 hit, hit. Turn, turn, hit, hit. That's it, okay? From there, we're gonna go into these ones, which is just touch forward, touch back. This is same arm, same leg, so that's all you gotta think about. Just look at the other people though. So same arm, same leg, same arm, same leg. These are gonna do 3. On number 3, you're gonna come around, around, around. What I'd like to do is just a quick little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a back, 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 back. Bump, bump, bump. Because it's easy and it'll shake your legs out. Believe me, I'm thinking of me, guys. I really am. So bump, 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 bump. Then you're gonna shimmy forward past your partner then. So you've been on one side of the street now. Now you're gonna go towards the other direction. You don't have to go very far. Your partner can still be right there or whoever in the next line. You go with the left, forward, back, forward, back, forward, around, around, side, 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 back, 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 and put your arms in if you can remember. Back, 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 boop, boop, boop. Shimmy. Now we start the shimmying. Okay, the shimmying is so easy. Shimmy, but lower yourself. Don't be way up high for that one. So come low so that if you can, do a little jump into it so you look excited, like, whoa, go, see? Okay, it's really easy. So you're just gonna go forward, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3, pretend I'm going forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it for that part, okay? Simple. The next part, you face forward. So pretend like we're all going forward now. And you just opposite now. So you're going out and open and open. These are really slow. The other one was faster. This is really slow. You'll do this for 4. So think 1, if you put your hip in it, it'll be better. 2, 3, 4, together, just briefly. Out with the hip, out with the hip. Down, 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 down. Take your time because we're gonna have a little roll. You don't have to go too far down though. Save your knees. Just a little is good. Then when you come up, we'll go, I totally lost my train of thought with that. Out, out, down, 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 down. Just do the same thing. Just go out, 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 back, 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 back. How are you gonna turn around though? I don't know. I'll think about that. But you'll do it forward, 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 forward. Out, out, down, 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 down. Oh, just walk. Just walk. 3, 4. Then do it to the one side. Going so forward, out, forward, out. Now I'm pretending I'm going this direction now. Is that confusing? Sorry. Forward, out, and then out, out, down, 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 down. Shimmy, shimmy. Walk to the other side. 2, 3, 4. Same thing, but you'll be facing that way now. Open, back, open, back, open, back, out, out, down, 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 shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. If we, right there, can remember, just do these little walks, go and find your partner. Now this part you're gonna find 2, like one other person, or when there's an odd number, the last people will be a group of 3. And you're gonna go just in like you're facing each other, whatever, to each other. You don't have to even do the same thing, just towards each other. I don't care what you do. For 16 counts. Then face out, do it for 16 counts. Then face in, do it for 16 counts. At that point, if we're feeling ambitious, which I hope we are, so you've just come out of doing whatever you want for 16 counts, and you're gonna come around, and now let's pretend that I'm coming towards you. So you've done your whatever for 16. Now you're gonna go forward, 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 forward. But these are really fast. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the whole thing. At that point, we might parade walk again or do a little moment of freestyle and do the same thing again. That's all I'm gonna do because I think it'll look great. And you have to remember, the movements are gonna travel. I mean, just in that second, look how far. I can't even stay within range, so don't worry. It's gonna move so much, you're not looking at the same audience. You're looking at a brand new audience. We do the same steps, okay? So